Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amit Amshalom, your local Portland Realtor. In today's video, we're going to cover the monthly market report of January of 2026. We're going to compare it to January 2025 and December of 2025. And we're also going to take a look where is the market going into based on the stats. So make sure to stick around for the whole video to get all of that information. And if you're someone new that just starting to watch my videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I post here weekly videos about real estate, about tips, about buying and selling tips, what to do and how to do. And make sure to also drop a comment below if you have any questions. So let's start now. Looking into the new listings, new listing has decreased 4.4% from the new listing listed in January of 2025, and they increased almost 110% from the new listing listed in December of 2025. So obviously December will be one of the slowest months for listings because a lot of people holding for the holidays, and that's okay, that's obvious, but it's also a great month to sell your house because you don't have a lot of competition. Pending sales has decreased 0.6% from the pending offer accepted in January of 2025, and they increased 38.4% from the offers accepted in December of 2025. So what we start to see, the activity of the buyers is starting to kick up again, and a lot of people are starting to make moves and start to buy houses. So that's really great for the market. Closed sales has decreased 8.4% from the closing sales in January of 2025, and they decreased 32% from the closed sales in December. And why is that? December, a lot of people holding off, waiting for the holidays, don't want to make much move. There's not much of people making moves in December, so that's why closed sales in January dropping a lot. But we're gonna see it kicking up in February. I would assume that a lot of homes gonna close this month as well. Inventory and time of market. The inventory increased to 4.3 months in January, and the total days on market also increased to 89 days. Guys, this is something that I told you about 2 and 3 months ago. The inventory was low. A few months ago, you had a really great opportunity because your competition was really low as a home seller. Right now, it's increased from 2.9 of December to 4.3 months in January. That's almost 50% increase of what has before in the past month. Right now, inventory is still is getting a little bit high. It's kind of like the highest that has been in the past 2 years, but still a lot of people waiting for the springtime. So right now can be also a still great opportunity before the spring to make sure that you're gonna kind of like beat all of that competition that's gonna come up in spring. So a year-to-date summary, if we're comparing the first month of 26 to the same period of 25, the new listings has decreased 4.4%, pending sales decreased 0.6%, and the closed sales decreased also 8.4%. So we do see a little bit slow on the market comparing it to last year. People, there's a lot of uncertainty right now. People still waiting, people hoping that the rate's gonna go down, but it's kind of like interesting because last year the interest rates were much higher than they're right now, and the market is a little bit slower. So the market is gonna be really interesting in the next few months going into the spring and summer market. The average and median sale price comparing 26 to 25, through January, the average sale price has decreased 5.4% from 600,000 to 568,000. That's a big decrease, but it also can be increased again next month when the market gonna improve a little bit, and that can be fixed easily. So I would not be a lot of concern about that thing. Guys, I just want to share with you kind of like some indication because the market obviously been changing drastically in the past 2 and 3 years. So when it's coming to sell a house, you need to do much different things versus in the past 3 or 4 years when the interest rates were really low and there was bidding wars everywhere. Right now, when you're going to sell your house, there is 2 things that is very important. Obviously, is the pricing that you're gonna price your property, and the marketing and the activities that your agent going to do. Obviously, you're going to have your agent that you're going to choose going to have to adapt to the new market and to the new trends and to do different stuff all the time in order to put your house out there and to get it sold faster for the most money possible. I specialize with working with sellers, specifically with houses as well that came on the market and did not sell. So I offer free consultations for home sellers, also for home buyers as well. So if you're thinking about selling, you have a house on market and the contract is about to finish and you're thinking about changing an agent, reach out to me, book a free consultation. Let me show you how I can benefit you, what I do differently in today's market to get your house sold for the most money possible. And again, as I said, it's under no obligation, free consultation. You're gonna get some great information. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, you have any concerns, and what do you guys think about the market and where it's going to. And I will see you in the next video.